Now we are going to discuss answers. First one, write the relative location of Asia and mark them. Mark the boundaries of Asia. What is the relative location of Asia? What is the relative location? The Asian continent is bounded by the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean on north side. Here Arctic Ocean on north side. The Pacific Ocean on the east side. Pacific Ocean on the east side. The Indian Ocean on the south side. The continent of Europe on the west side. Then what are the boundaries of the west side? You have to write down the boundaries here, west side. What are the boundaries? What are the other boundaries? Ural mountain range here. On a map එකත් ඔය ගාම හරිද කියලා බලා ගන්න. map එකත් හරිද කියලා බලා ගන්න. Here. Ural River, Ural mountain range. This one, Ural mountain range. Here, Ural mountain, this area. You mark here, Ural mountain. Here, mountain. Then Ural River. Ural River also here. This one called as Ural River. It flow to the Caspian Sea, Ural River. Then this one Caspian Sea. Mark කරලා හරියට බලන්න. Caspian Sea. Between Black Sea and Caspian Sea here. What is the mountain? What is the mountain here? This one. Caucasus mountain. Here. Black Sea. Mediterranean Sea. This one Red Sea. Between Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, what is the canal here? Suez Canal. These are the boundaries. Then you have to write down this side Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, here Pacific Ocean. These are the boundaries. Asian continent and Africa separate from Red Sea and Suez. Red Sea and Suez Canal. Five marks for one question. Then number 2. Number 2. Write the absolute location of Asia. What is the absolute location? What is the absolute location of Asia? Huh? What is the absolute location? What is the absolute location of Asia? Tell me your answer.
Asian continent is located between 10 degrees latitude south to 80 degrees latitude north and between 25 and 180 longitude east.
Yes, the Asian continent is located 10 latitudes south, this side 10 latitudes here, 10 south side, 10 latitude. The Asian continent is located 10 latitude to south, 80 latitude to north, 80, 10 to 80 north side. Then 10 south, 80 north, and between 25 longitudes. See this line 25 east or west, east side, 25 is because Greenwich line here. So this one also is 25 to 180 longitude. You have to write down this. Can you understand? Here south and these two south and north, we have to write down 10 south latitude, 80 north latitude, but these two are east longitudes. Number 3, mention 5 unique physical and human characteristic of Asia. Here, uniqueness of Asian region. These are, you have to write down: the largest continent in the world, presence of all the climatic type of the world. What are the other answers? Dilantha, Nuansa, tell me your answers.
The most populous country in the world.
Yes.
Birthplace of many major religions.
Yes. Presence of different human races, ethnic groups, languages, and cultural diversity. Okay. The most popular.
Location of highest mountain peak.
Yes. Okay. These are the unique physical and human characteristic. The largest continent, presence of all the climatic types in the world, presence of different human races, ethnic groups and languages, cultural diversity, birthplace of many major religions, location of largest mountain ranges, and the highest mountain peak. Yes. Mention 3 types of climatic zones of the earth. Briefly explain them. What are the climatic zones?
Tropical zone,
temperature frigid.
Yeah. Yes. Tropical zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Briefly explain them. Tropical zone. What are the features of tropical zone?
high temperature prevails throughout the year.
Yes. High temperature. Average temperature is more than 18 Celsius degrees. Warm climatic condition prevail. These are the features. Temperate zone. Average temperature in this zone is lower than the tropical zone. As well as seasonal variation can be seen.
Warm and cold season is clearly seen here.
Yes. Yes. Clear warm seasons and cold season is seen. Frigid zone. Falling of snow. Land being covered with snow for a long period of the year due to the lower level of temperature. These are the features. Name 3 sparsely populated area in Asia. What are the sparsely populated area?
Maldives, Brunei, Bhutan.
Qatar.
Sparsely populated region.
Maldives.
ජනගහනය අඩු ප්‍රදේශහනි. Sparsely populated region. Central Asia.
Bhutan.
Central Asia, Mongolia, Northern Flatlands, Gobi, and Thar Desert. These are the sparsely populated region. අහන්නේ මොනවාද බලන්න මේකේ. Name 3 sparsely populated areas. Yes, areas or regions. You have to write down Central Asia. Here not countries කිව්වනම් තමයි අපි countries ටික ලියන්නේ. මේක යන්නේ area. මේක region කියලා ආවනන්ද ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ? ඈ? region නැති හින්දාද උනේ ගැටලුව? region නැති හින්දාද?
ඔව් ටීචර්.
එහෙනම් region කියලා දාගන්න. මේක areas කිව්වොත් මේවම තමයි එන්න ඕනේ. region. areas, not countries. Here, regions. Here you have to write down Central Asia, Mongolian region. Northern flatlands, Gobi Desert, Thar Desert. මොකද රන්දේ වරදුනාද කට ඇද උනේ next one number 6 mention 4 countries with the higher density of population. Here you have to write down countries.
Pakistan,
India,
China,
China, India.
Pakistan, Bangladesh.
You have to write down main 4 countries. China, India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Mention 2 types of crop seasons of Pakistan. What are the crop seasons?
Kharif, Rabi.
Yes. Kharif and Rabi. Kharif and Rabi. Kharif and Rabi. State the major industrial products in Japan. What are the major industrial products in Japan?
Automobiles, chemicals, electronic equipment, textiles, machinery, computer
Iron and
accessories, iron and steel, shipbuilding, pharmaceuticals.
Okay, very good. Major industrial products. එතකොට පුතේ ඒක ලියන්න ඕනේ. Industrial products හරි නේද? ඒක හරි නේද answers?
okay, teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one. 9. State which for State which reasons have influenced the importance of Dubai as a service center. Dubai service center එකක් විදිහට development හේතු මොනවාද? What are the reasons?
As a center of providing international communication services.
Yes. Importance of Port Jabi Ali as the major Middle East export center as well as pre-trade harbor, center for tourist attraction and tourist service providing center, as a center of providing international communication service like CNN, Al Jazeera. These are the reasons. An aviation center of modern crossroads connecting east and west. These are the reasons. Did you write answers? Establishment of the largest trade center called Dubai Mall. As a center that provides as indoor stadium and day and night cricket stadium for cricket and tennis at an international level. These are the reasons. Mention 2 petrochemical industries in Japan. What are the petrochemical industries in Japan?
Plastic,
Plastic.
Polystyrene.
Yes. Plastic, polyester, polypropylene. Plastic, polyester, polypropylene. These are the main productions. Name 3 relief zones of Sri Lanka and mark them in the Sri Lankan map. What are the relief zones?
Coastal plain, intermediate plain, central mountain.
Yes, here. This one. What is this one? Coastal plain. Here, coastal plain, intermediate plain, and central hill. These are the relief zones. Height here, height 0 to 30 meters, 30 meters to 300 meters, over 300 meters. Can you understand? Name 3 second longest river. Name the second longest river of Sri Lanka. What is the second longest river?
Mallathur.
Mallathur.
Yes. Second longest river, Mallathur, 164 kilometers. Longest river, Mahavali, 335, but Mallathur, 164. 164 Mallathur. Define the climate and weather. What is the weather? What is the climate? Climate of a particular place is the general condition of the atmosphere which is determined by analyzing and concluding on weather for a long time. What is the weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere that prevails within a short period of time at any place. Mention 4 factors influence the variation of temperature of Sri Lanka. What are the factors?
Altitude,
Indian subcontinent.
Yes,
pattern,
altitude,
Changing
proximity to the Indian Ocean, distance from the sea, changing wind pattern. Mention 2 types of monsoon rain and write the periods. What are the 2 types of monsoon rains?
Southwestern monsoons, northwestern monsoons.
Yes, what are the periods? Periods. The southwest monsoon from May to September, the northeast monsoon December to February. Name 5 climatic zones of Sri Lanka. What are the climatic zones?
low country wet
country
zone,
wet zone, low
High
country
country wet zone, semi-arid zone.
country dry zone, semi-arid zone.
Yes, these are the climatic zones. Name 7 natural vegetation zones in Sri Lanka. What are the natural vegetation zones?
Mangrove.
Dry mixed evergreen forest, intermediate evergreen
Hill
forest,
country dry
hill
zone
country
forest.
wet zone forest, hill
Yes.
country dry zone forest,
thorny bushes,
one bushes and scrublands, mangroves.
Mangroves. Tropical wet forest, dry mixed evergreen forest, intermediate evergreen forest, hill country wet zone forest, hill country dry zone forest, thorny bushes and scrub for land, mangroves. Mangroves. Mention 3 types of settlements. What are the 3 types of settlements?
urban, rural.
Yes, rural settlement, urban settlement, urban settlements. These are the 3 types of settlement. Rural, urban, urban. Next one, briefly explain about settlements. Mention in short what a settlement is. What a settlement is. Oh, what are settlements? You have to write down. It's okay. What are settlements? What are settlements? Settlements are established by group of people to live together with cooperation, to be protected from enemies and wild animals, and to avoid harsh environment. What are the specific crop cultivated and industries that can be seen in Jaffna Peninsula? Jaffna Peninsula.
Potatoes, onion, beetroots.
What are the
grapes,
crops? Yes, Palmyra, potatoes, grapes, chili, onions. These are the special tobacco. These are the special crops. Industries. Palmyra industry. Yes. Fishing
tourist industry,
dry fish industry.
salt industry.
Salt industry, tourist industry. These are the industries. Okay. 5 marks for one question, one answer.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Madam, limestone industry haride.
Limestone industry also correct. Limestone industry. Marks කියන්න රන්දේ දිලන්ත තවසිරු
95 madam.
95 Omiru
85
85 Erash
90.
90 Nuansa
95 madam.
Dilantha Erash Devinda Neon
80, madam.
Venumi Randaya Rajinda
95.
95 Rajinda Tasiru Ushani 90 Jayami
80.
80 Okay, Pute, next day also we have to do revision test. Okay, goodbye children.
Goodbye, madam. Good night, madam.
Good night.
Goodbye madam. Good night madam. Thank you madam.
Good night. Nande විතරයි මම බලාගත්තේ අද